All right, guys. Sorry, I was setting some up here. In about a minute, I'm not sure. Okay, it's going to start in about 20 seconds. We're going to have a flash sale on both the copper and 90% silver state quarters, coin rings. So I make quarters into rings, and we're going to have a flash sale for those in about 10 seconds. So just bear with me. Okay, so for the next 10 minutes, the 90% silver state quarter coin rings are 50% off if you tap the shopping cart down here. And in about 10 seconds, the copper one's going to go, let's see. Okay, so now the copper one is also live. For the next 10 minutes, my state quarter coin rings are like 50% off. Just tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to check them out. I've got them in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. And the first order that comes through on this live, I will make for you. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, check out the flash sale, tap the shopping cart down here. And as soon as we get an order in, I will get to work on it. So, yeah, again, they're all 50 states. If you need a half or quarter size, just leave a note when you place your order. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. And again, these rings are 50% off for the next 10 minutes. And the first order that comes in, we will make your ring live. If you have any questions, let me know. We're doing good. Trying out this flash sales thing. We got 10 minutes on it. 90% silver quarter coin rings, usually $100 or $50 for the next 10 minutes. And the copper clad state quarter coin rings, usually $42. You can pick one up for $20 right now. Just tap the shopping cart down here, pick the ring you'd like, and your size, and I'll get to work on it for you. I suppose I should show you what we're talking about. That does make sense, doesn't it? You can tap the shopping cart to see pictures of the finished products. I'll grab a couple to show off. Again, this flash sale is, let's see here, for the next 8 minutes. These coin rings are 50% off. Just pick your state and size. You got 90% silver. State quarter coin rings, usually $100, just $50 for the next 8 minutes. And the copper clad ones are usually $42. You can pick one up for $20 right now. The first order that comes in on this live, I will make. Do I do any silver soldering? Very little. So most of what I do is I take the quarter and I shape it into a ring. So this is an Idaho copper quarter coin ring. See the state nice and prominently. The year underneath it is the year the state was adopted into the Union. On the back here is the year the quarter was made, and every state's going to have a bit of a different design to it. And you can see United States of America on the inside there, and quarter dollar. Again, I've got these in all 50 states. Got a flash sale going right now. Tap the shopping cart down here for the next probably 7 minutes. Yep, you can get one of these half off. If you'd like to get one, tap the shopping cart, pick your state and size, and I'd be happy to get to work on it for you. So what I recommend for cleaning is these connoisseur polishing wipes. You can get these at Walmart, and you just take one of these and rub on it for about a minute, and it gets it nice and shiny, gets all that oxidation off of there. These work really well. So yeah, if you want to take a screenshot of that, that's what I use. If anyone else has any questions, please put them in the chat. If you'd like to check out the flash sale, tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. First order that comes in, we'll make on this live. State quarter coin rings are 50% off. Right now, I've got all 50 states available. These are real quarters I make into rings. Got copper clad and 90% silver available. If you'd like to get one, just tap the shopping cart and pick your size. If you have any questions, let me know. Very nice. How's it going, man? So I was about to do a test run of Whatnot. I'm going to do that a little bit later today. But I wanted to hop on here and try out this flash sale thing. So we still got about 5 minutes left on it. 50% off 90% silver quarter coin rings. You can get a copper one for $20 right now. Just tap the shopping cart, pick your state and size. I'll be happy to get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, let me know. See if we can find a silver one here. Yeah, usually I'm making rings. I thought I'd try out this flash sale. So it was pretty cool. We got up to about 1,000 viewers, but it doesn't look like we've got any bites at this time. So when the flash sale's over, I'm gonna hop off of here and prep for a Whatnot show. If you guys don't know what Whatnot is, it's a pretty fast-paced live auction app. I pick up some pretty cool coins on there, but I'm also trying to sell some rings on there, try it out a bit. If you're interested in checking out Whatnot, you can go to the link in my TikTok profile up here, and there's a sign-up link there. Yeah, we sent you mail. Well, I'll have to keep an eye out for it. Exciting. Do I also collect coins? I have a very small collection. I've probably got about 15 coins that I've saved from making into rings. It's pretty small though. This is the 90% silver Texas quarter coin ring. And this is the copper clad. So you can see there's a bit of a tone difference between the two. The 90% silver definitely has a better shine to it, but the detail's really nice on both. A bit crisper on the 90% silver proof. All right, let's see here. We've got about 3 more minutes left on this flash sale. If you guys would like to get a coin ring, you can get them 50% off right now. Just tap the shopping cart down here. We've got copper clad and 90% silver. All 50 states available. Just pick your state and size, and I'll get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for posting that video, Nurse T. I really appreciate it. That ring looks sick. If you guys want to check it out, I just made a Fugio scent ring for Nurse T. It's up on his profile. It's a size 16. It's it's really big, but the detail on it looks great. I do want to point out that it is brass, and a couple times in that video you said it's copper. It is a brass coin ring. I don't know if that makes a big difference, but it is brass. I just want you to know. Let's see how much longer we've got on the flash sale. We got 2.5 minutes left on this flash sale, guys. 50% off state quarter coin rings. Tap the shopping cart down here, pick your state and size, and I'll get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Thank you very much. Yeah, I thought it came out really good. I really, really like those imitation Fugio rounds. I think I've got one over here I can show you guys. This is the round I made into a ring for Nurse T. So it says Fugio Continental Currency, and it's got all the original colonies on there. It makes a really nice ring. But yeah, this is brass. It's illegal to fraudulently alter currency. So that would be like taking a penny and making it look like a dime and trying to spend it, or like changing the year on a coin to make it look more valuable. Any kind of deceptive or fraudulent alteration of coins is illegal, but making coins into jewelry is neither fraudulent or deceptive. When you order from me, you know you're getting a coin that's been made into a ring, and at least in the United States, that is legal. It's very similar to a penny smashing machine you might find at Six Flags or SeaWorld, stuff like that. All right, we got 30 seconds left on this flash sale. Y'all check it out. Half off stay quarter coin rings. Tap the shopping cart down here. Don't miss out. These things are pretty cool. If anybody else has any questions, let me know. If you want to see some videos of me making coins into rings, hit the follow button. I'm going to test a couple other things on the internet today. This was test number 1. I do appreciate you coming by and watching it go down. Hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'm just going to hang out until the flash sale ends. About 14 seconds. Hit the follow button. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. So for a size 13, the 90% silver one is $100 and the copper clad one is $42. You'll just need to leave a note that you want a size 13 when you place your order. The main difference between the copper clad and the 90% silver is with copper, there's a good chance that it'll turn your finger green. So the best way to prevent that is apply clear fingernail polish. So you have kind of a barrier between the copper and your skin. If you don't want to have to worry about that, go for the 90% silver. It's not going to turn your finger green. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Peace.